they can get pretty old. Main diet, guys, is fish, birds, small animals. We are not on the menu. They are more afraid of us than we are of them. Now, there is exceptions to that, right? Come across a nest in Mama's home. This is the only truly aggressive alligator you will ever experience in your life. She will command you tooth and nail with her children while she has them.
Thank you.
6 months later, while, she might try and eat them all, but while she has them, she will protect them. Misidentity is the next big one. So to them, we grow upright, so we are bigger than they are, right? So if you crouch down, look like smaller than you normally would, they might try to figure out what you are. In the water swimming, all they see is the top of your head. They are top dogs in the water. They can swim really good, they can bite really hard, hold their breath for a long time. They're really designed for being in the water. On land, not so much, right? They got short little legs, they're far apart from each other. They say if you're chased by an alligator, the serpentine or zigzag, they kind of fall over when they turn. I've never tried that method. I always tell everybody outrun the person next to you, and if you can't, you trip them.
Where's the big alligator?
The one that we passed is its mom. The one that we passed is its mom.
Mama's not here. So Mama takes care of them when they're hatched out in the end of August, early September, until the next mating season, which is in April. And then she goes and she finds Dad again. And starts over.